I'm going to be showing you the new SmartBox V3 adapter and the accessories that you can get with it. In the first box is the actual adapter itself, as well as some additional pieces. Here is the V3 adapter. This is the side that will plug into your SmartBox into the OBD cable location on your SmartBox, and then your actual OBD cable will plug into the side of the adapter and go out to the vehicle. Next piece is the Smart Emulator V1. This is for doing all keys lost procedure on new Toyota Lexus proximity vehicles, as well as more features to come for this product. This is your Toy 2427P cable. This will be used to connect your Smart Emulator to your V3 adapter via this USB-C plug here. These two white connectors, these are Smart ECU plugs for reading the data straight out of the Smart ECU. And also the V3 adapter also has the unlocking hardware from the previous generation of SmartBox adapter and a new set of probes that go with this adapter. They will plug into the unlock key port here on the side of the unit. That is also where this cable will plug into, and any other accessory cables will plug into this port here. Alright, now on to the second box. In the second box, we have the BMW specific cables and adapter. First piece here is the BMW FEM BDC adapter. This will plug into the module here, as well as this red wire will also plug in the module to supply power to it. You will have to supply 12 volt power to the device here, and then use the smaller OBD cable provided to plug into the unit and then into your SmartBox. Next piece here, this would be the EEPROM cable. This is for hooking up to EEPROM chips and reading the data off of them. And the last piece here will be the ECU cable. This is for BMW DMEs as to retrieve the ISN number from the vehicle. And that is all the SmartBox V3 adapter and all the new accessories.